How can I file my taxes with TurboTax for the year 2019?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to tackle a very important task, filing your 2019 taxes with TurboTax. Don't worry, TurboTax is designed to make this process easy, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.
What do you need before you start?
Before you start, gather all necessary documents. You'll need your W-2s or 1099s from all employment in 2019, information for other income such as investments or self-employment, receipts for deductions you plan to claim.
How to start your 2019 tax return.
1. Sign in to TurboTax. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. 2. Once you're in, select Take Me to My Return. 3. On the screen that pops up, click on Amend, Change, 2019 Return. Note that you can only use this feature if you've already filed a return for the year 2019. If you haven't, proceed with the standard tax filing process.
How to input your tax information.
1. Start with your personal information. TurboTax will ask for your name, address, social security number, and filing status. 2. Next, you'll enter your income information. This will come from the W-2s, 1099s, or other income documents you gathered. 3. Then, you'll move on to deductions and credits. Input any deductions or credits you plan to claim. 4. Lastly, you'll be asked to provide information about any payments you've made towards your 2019 taxes.
How to review and file your taxes.
1. After entering all your information, it's time to review. Double-check all your inputs for accuracy. 2. TurboTax has a built-in error checker that will flag any common errors or missing information. 3. If everything looks good, move on to the filing step. Here you can choose to file electronically or by mail. And that's it. Filing your 2019 taxes with TurboTax doesn't have to be a hassle. Remember, the key is preparation. Have all your documents ready and double-check your inputs for accuracy. We hope this video made your tax filing process a little bit easier. Until next time, happy filing!